What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. To start it off, 3 weeks it took for Mini Spares to send me this box. So let's have a look what's inside. Not very easy opening it with one hand and holding the camera, but all this way for this. So, box of goodies. So that's it, guys. Got myself a new drop bracket for the steering, new nut for the steering wheel, as my one's all gone to shit from taking it off. Got some new bolts for the steering column. Got upper bushing and lower bushing plastic, and the washer. So I'm gonna do the steering column in the Mini maybe tomorrow, as it's late out, dark out, fire's lighting, heat. So I'm just gonna put all this away and continue tomorrow when we're at the Mini. So it's time. Just gonna remove the steering wheel, gonna remove the dash, and then remove the bottom dash, take all these out and get to this steering column and get it out and replace everything. Let's go. Just one bolt on the outside. I'm just going to undo and take the dash out. Take it down and show you. If I can show you now. All of this here is bent. So where it should be more straight, it's actually bent. You can see the steering column is pointing out this way. That should be like so, but it's actually like so. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to remove all this out. I'm going to get the camera off and just remove all this. It's only 2 bolts, so I'm going to remove this one bolt. That's just to drop the column down, and then this is the bracket itself. So I will be replacing this bracket. I have a brand new drop bracket. I will show you in a moment. And then I just need to undo the nut down on the actual steering column underneath the carpet here, but I will show you that. I'm just going to get this column out. It's literally this bolt. I'll show you now. This bolt here I'm going to undo, and that slides out, and then the column slides down, and then I'll undo the bottom one, and then I can take the whole column out, and then I can work on this. So now you can see I removed that bolt right there. That allows the steering column to move freely. So once I undo the nut down at the bottom, it will be loose, so I can pull it down and pull it out, and then bring it inside and replace all the bushes. There is our little nut down there, that's all loosened off. As you can see, this one here, all loose. So I'm just going to drop this and pull her out, bring her inside, take it apart, replace bushings. Now, magic, finally out. Let's get this inside and rebuilt. Now, very first bush is this one. They're only plastic. They just slip off like so. Have the brand new one here. Open it up. Literally just slips over like so. That's it. That's that one. Then this top one, as you can see, should just stick our thumb in, twist it and pull. There you go. Comes out like so. Stick that down. Make sure it goes in the way it came out, or you won't get it out without breaking it. So it goes in this way. Those 2 openings there sit with those 2 openings there. So you're going to just twist, pop it in like that, turn it upside down and just tap. And that's it in there. So that's it, my dudes. Just going to take this and slide her in. So yeah guys, as you can see, once you get the bushing in the top part there and you hammer in just slightly all around, you can then push the shaft all the way down. Now, new steering column bushes, bottom and top. All done, turn them freely. Now time to get this drop bracket out and fit it properly. New nut, new washer for the steering wheel. Now I'm going to go out and tackle that bracket, see if I can get it on straight, bend it into shape and get it proper so this steering column will sit straight in front of the driver. See it in a minute when it's all back in magically. Right guys, that's the bracket back in. As you can see, it's sitting under here. This part was where this is, so that's how far this bracket was here, and it's going to change the way the steering column sits out. So I'm going to go grab the steering column, stick it in, yeah, get it back in, get all this put back together, and that should be all good. So it's been a few days, I've been sick. like a head cold, migraine. All I really need to do is soak up that puddle obviously, and then I need to get that bolt in. So I need to get the steering, obviously isn't moving because nothing's connected down there, it's just turning absolutely nothing. So what I need to do is straighten up the steering wheel to where it's straight, obviously with the wheels where they are, and then stick a vice grips on that, pinch it on it and get the actual bolt in, and then stick a nut on it and tighten it up. And then what I want to do is I want to take out the carpets and just dry up the floor and stick the bungs back in. I took them out the other day because there was a little bit of water on the floor and I wanted to go out. Maybe it's coming in through this hole, but I'll just get some tissue, dry that up and get the carpets back in. So I'm just going to get that bolt in now. So I was working on the Mini and then it did snow. Yeah, this happened. But problem with, oh my god, the car's frozen. Oh my god. I'm gonna have to pour some hot water in this. Back in a minute. I'm hoping this works because the car is completely frozen. So I know it's going to be hot. There we go. Happy days. Right, so update time. Didn't get it back in because this is absolutely wrong to shit. So obviously I'm not going to put, oh yeah, don't do that because you get metal splinters. Ow. But down here the splines are gone off the actual column, so I need a new column. I'm just going to take this out real fast. Oh, that was big. That was a big piece of metal in my thumb. But anywho, this is no bueno. I'm going to have to get a new column. So the rest of all is there. It's ready to go in. I just need to get a new one of them because this is just turning, as you can see. It's fully tight down there and it's just turning and the wheels aren't turning, so that's no bueno. No good. I need my kettle. So yeah, no bueno. I'm gonna come back another day. I'm gonna collect a steering column during the week, take that out, get the new one in and tighten everything up, and then she'll be back driving on the road because it is taxed somewhere there. She's taxed. Jesus. There it is there. There it is there, guard. It's taxed, I swear. But yeah, some snow we got last night. Like the poor Fiat is caked up in snow. The Civic was caked up in snow. I got it all off the window, all the windows on the back window, and I drew an angry face. You can't even see the angry face, but there's his teeth and his eyes. But just to get it off the windows, just in case anything fell, and I didn't want to damage it. Started the car and all the snow melted off the front. So yeah, that's it for now with the Mini. I will update on the next video and show you the progress of the new column. But that's it for now, guys. I really do appreciate it for watching. Make sure you smash that subscribe button down below. Give the video a like and comment. If you don't, who cares? I do this for fun. I do enjoy it. Oh wow, we definitely have to do a smiley face here. Now guys, that's a good ending to the video. So yeah, subscribe. Peace out.